fuck off.
So babes, you love me. Long time you tell me say you love me now.
You know, some 11 time my wife you know give me nothing over here now. You know, so over here some come to get some. How do you, man?
Yes.
How do you?
You don't care because some long time me no go. No.
How can I care? How me I care go?
You can't care me. You buy me 2 pieces of chicken. I'm hungry.
Man, no money, man. Man, just come over here for some sex. I talk about money. Yeah, Macadam, man.
Yeah, I get it, man.
How do you, man? Sure. I mean to know money.
So when you want it, me give it to you.
You know, yeah, side piece. That's what side piece mean. Sure.
Yeah, right, man. Where's your brain? How are you, so?
Alright, now let me tell you, man. That's what we love you, know.
I love it, so.
Yeah, man. How are you, though?
You want to take
How are you? Hey, how are you? Yo, delete that.
Delete
what?
what?
Where you take picture for?
What do you mean you know me I take picture for?
Yo.
Pussy delete what?
Yo, delete that.
Pussy delete what?
Beard, no, man. You don't know some love you already, man.
Listen to me. Take this, put it up on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat, every fucking thing, and tag your wife. And when you're done, get me 2 pieces of chicken because I'm hungry.
Alright.
You know, get no more of this sneak lie.
Yeah, man, I don't want to say yeah, but I don't.
Tag it.
Okay. Me do tag it.
You done?
Yes.
Thank you. Side check, run things for 2019, boy. What you hear about?